Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to withdraw your Dogecoin from Exmo to your Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your Doge safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Exmo account set up and verified, along with your Phantom wallet installed on your device. Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana-based assets, but remember, Dogecoin typically runs on its own network, so double-check compatibility. In 2025, cross-chain tools might make this easier, but always verify. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the Exmo website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets, or Balances, section to locate your Dogecoin holdings. Step 2. Find the withdrawal option. Look for a Withdraw or Send button next to your Dogecoin balance. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency. Choose Dogecoin from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Enter your Phantom wallet address. This is crucial, so copy it directly from your Phantom app to avoid any typos. In 2025, Exmo might have enhanced security features like two-factor authentication, so enable that if you haven't already. Step 4. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Enter the exact number of Dogecoin, keeping in mind any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees. Exmo usually displays these up front, so review them carefully. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to verify via email, SMS, or 2FA. Once confirmed, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After that, hop over to your Phantom wallet app and refresh it to see your Dogecoin arrive. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer. A few quick tips. Always use the correct network. Dogecoin is on its own, but ensure Phantom is set up properly. Never share your private keys, and keep an eye on gas fees to avoid surprises. With crypto evolving rapidly in 2025, stay updated on any platform changes. There you have it, folks. You've just withdrawn your Dogecoin from Exmo to Phantom wallet. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.